Hey gang, Poppy here. Now it's time for another media commentary. A little bit of evisceration of that shit people have been putting on TV. Just for you. Okay, this is for Paramount and CBS. Discovery, right? Star Trek Discovery just ended. Stole an old Star Trek plot twists, and, you know, the progenitor's life-making machine that came from Next Generation. And let's see what else. Having to change everything. CBS and Paramount became like the wine dealer that Robert A. Heinlein told us of, who was never, ever happy to sell wine until it tasted just right with the flavor of his urine. Anyway, Season 1, Episode 1 of Discovery, Paramount flew Discovery into the light. And like one of the big fat mobs that sits there on the high voltage grid and sizzles and crackles and sizzles for minutes and minutes and throws off the smell of burning ivory soap. And it goes out in a cloud around that damn bug. That's Discovery. 5 seasons of sitting there on the high voltage grid going, sizzle, sizzle, stink. Finally over. Thank God. And hey, that's not the only one. Strange New Worlds, they had a perfect chance to start and do it right. No. They had a powerful storyline. Pike and the Talosians. No, they screwed it up. So, see this, Paramount. What really bothers me is we have to pay extra to get this crap. Yeah. Anyway. I'm glad it's over. Hopefully I'll never see anything related to Star Trek on Paramount ever again. Good night from California.